Your first step to financial freedom, create your personal financial mission statement and goals. Imagine setting out on a journey without knowing your destination. You might drive for hours, spend money on fuel, and eventually end up somewhere, but probably not where you truly wanted to go. That is exactly how millions of people live financially. They earn money, they spend money, they have occasionally, they save occasionally, they invest randomly, but they never stop to ask one simple question: what is my money actually supposed to do for me? Financial freedom does not begin with earning more money. It begins with giving your money a purpose. The wealthiest people don't simply have larger bank accounts, they have a clear financial mission. Every dollar they earn as a job, every financial decision supports a bigger vision. Today, we are going to create something that can completely change the way you think about money, your personal financial mission statement. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to create one, set meaningful goals, and build a financial roadmap that works for every stage of life. Let's begin. Point number one: understand what financial freedom really means. Many people believe financial freedom means becoming a millionaire. In reality, financial freedom is much simpler. It means having enough money and enough control over finances to make life decisions based on your values instead of financial pressure. For one person, financial freedom may mean retiring early. For another, it could mean traveling the world. For parents, it may mean providing the best education for their children. For entrepreneurs, it may mean building a business without worrying about monthly bills. There is no universal definition. Your version of financial freedom should match your dreams, responsibilities, personality, and lifestyle. If your goals belong to someone else, social media influences, friends, or family, you will eventually lose motivation. Financial freedom starts with clarity. Ask yourself, what does my ideal life look like? How do I want my money to support that life? What kind of person do I want to become? Your answers become the foundation of every financial decision you will make. Let's say example, Rahul earns $60,000 per year. His friends earn $1,20,000. Everyone assumes the second person is more successful, but Rahul has no debt, saves 30% of his income, works 4 days a week, and spends weekends with family. His friends has luxury cars, huge loans, and constant financial stress. Who is actually financial free? The answer is Rahul, because freedom is about control, not income. Point number two: discover your personal values before setting financial goals. Money is simply a tool. Values decide how that tool should be used. Without understanding your values, you will constantly chase goals that don't truly satisfy you. Ask yourself, what matters most in my life? Family, health, education, adventure, creativity, helping others, security, freedom. Once you identify your core values, your financial goals become meaningful. Instead of saying, I want $1 million, you will say, I want financial independence so I can spend more time with my family. That goal carries emotional power. Your values become your financial compass. Whenever you whenever you are unsure about spending, saving, or investing, return to those values. They will guide every decision. Let's say example, Sarah loves traveling. Instead of buying an expensive luxury that she creates a travel investment fund. 5 years later, she has visited 15 countries. Her money supported her values instead of impressing strangers. That is intentional financial living. Next point number three: create your personal financial mission statement. A mission statement is a short declaration explaining why your money exists. Businesses have mission statements, successful athletes have personal missions, families create mission statements. You should have one too. A strong financial mission statement answers three questions: why do I earn money? How will I manage it? What future am I creating? Keep it simple, keep it inspiring, keep it personal. Example: I use money wisely to create freedom, security, and opportunities for my family. I build wealth through discipline so I can live with purpose and help others. I make intentional financial decisions that support health, learning, generosity, and long term independence. Write your statement somewhere visible. Read it every morning. Read it before making major purchases. Over time, it becomes your financial identity. People rarely stay committed to goals, they stay committed to identity. Your mission statement shapes that identity. Example: whenever Emily wants to buy something impulsively, she reads her mission statement first. If the purchase supports her mission, she buys it. If not, she saves the money. One sentence changed hundreds of financial decisions. Next point number four: turn dreams into smart financial goals. Your dreams inspire, goals create action. Your dream says, I want financial freedom. Your goal says, I will save $20,000 for my emergency and investment fund within 4 years. Smart goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time bound. Break every financial dream into smaller milestones. Daily habits create monthly progress. Monthly progress creates yearly success. Big goals become less intimidating when divided into manageable steps. Celebrate small victories. Momentum builds confidence. Confidence builds consistency. Let's say example, instead of saying I will save more money, David says I will save $300 every month through automatic transfers. 1 year later, he has over $3,600 without relying on motivation. Systems beats motivation. Next point number 5. Prioritize goals based on life stages. Not every financial goals deserves equal attention. Life changes. Your priorities should change too. In your 20s, learning, emergency savings, and investing may matter most. In your 30s, buying a home and supporting a family may become priorities. Later, retirement planning and healthcare become more important. Trying to accomplish every goal simultaneously often leads to frustration. Instead, identify immediate goals, short term goals, medium term goals, long term goals. This creates clarity. Our financial journey becomes organized rather than overwhelming. Review priorities every year. Your mission remains constant. Your goals evolve. Example for this point, a recent graduate focuses first on eliminating debt. After becoming debt free, they begin investing. After investing, they grow steadily. They save for a house. Each stage builds upon the previous one. Next point number 6, build daily financial habits that support your mission. Financial success is not built by one brilliant investment. It's built by thousands of ordinary decisions. Small habits repeated consistently outperform occasional bursts of motivation. Track spending, review your budget weekly, save automatically, invest regularly, avoid emotional shopping, read financial books, learn continuously. E- Even 10 minutes each day improves financial awareness. Discipline compounds just like money. Remember, your habits reveal your priorities. If your mission says freedom, but your habits create debt, your actions must change. Consistency always wins. Example for this point, James rounds every purchase to the nearest dollar and invest the spare change automatically. Over several years, those tiny investments grow into thousands of dollars. Small habits create extraordinary results. Next, point number 7, prepare for obstacles before they happen. Every financial journey faces unexpected challenges: job loss, medical emergencies, economic recessions, market declines, family responsibilities, unexpected expenses. The difference between financial successful people and everyone else is not avoiding problems, it's preparing for them. Create an emergency fund, maintain insurance, diversify investments, keep learning new skills, build multiple income streams over time. Challenges become temporary when preparation already exists. Resilience is a part of financial freedom. Let's say example for this point. During an economic slowdown, Lisa loses her job because she has 6 months of emergency savings. She focused on finding the right opportunity instead of accepting the first available job out of panic. Preparation creates confidence. Next point number 8, measure progress without comparing yourself to others. Comparison is one of the fastest ways to destroy financial happiness. Someone will always earn more. Someone will always own a bigger house. Someone will always drive a newer car. Social media often shows lifestyles without revealing debt, stress, or financial reality. Instead, compare yourself with who you were yesterday. Ask, is my savings rate improving? Am I reducing debt? Am I investing consistently? Am I becoming financially wiser? Progress matters more than perfection. Financial freedom is personal. Your timeline is unique. Celebrate every milestone. Every dollar saved is evidence that your future self matters. Let's say example, Maria increases her savings rate from 5% to 15%. Her salary barely changes. Yet her financial confidence grows dramatically because she measures personal progress instead of comparing herself with others. Next point number 9, review and update your mission every year. Life changes, your financial mission should evolve without losing its core purpose. Marriage, children, career changes, business opportunities, retirement, health. These events reshape priorities. Schedule one financial review day every year. Read your mission statement, review goals, calculate your net worth, update your budget, celebrate achievements, set new milestones. Successful companies regularly review their strategies. Your personal finances deserve the same attention. Reflection prevents drifting. Planning creates direction. Growth requires adjustment. Example, after becoming a parent, Michael updates his mission statement. Previously, it focused on travel. Now, it includes education, savings, and long term family security. His mission matured with his life. Next point number 10, start today because time is your greatest financial asset. Most people delay financial planning. They wait for a higher salary, a promotion, a better economy, the perfect investment, the right time. The truth is, the best time to create your financial mission was years ago. The second best time is today. Even one small action creates momentum. Write one sentence, set one goal, save your first dollar, open one investment account, read one financial book. Small beginnings often lead to extraordinary futures. Time is the most powerful wealth building tool. The earlier you begin, the more opportunities compound in your favor. Don't aim for perfection, aim for progress. One decision today can completely change the next 20 years. Example, at age 25, Alex starts investing just $100 each month. His friend waits 10 years before beginning. Even if both invest the same amount later, Alex early start gives him a significant advantage because compound growth rewards time more than size. The greatest investment is not money, it's starting early. Finally, financial freedom is not a destination reserved for the wealthy. It's a direction chosen by people who intentionally align their money with their purpose. Your financial mission statement is more than a paragraph on paper. It becomes a foundation for every budget, every investment, every purchase, and every financial decision you make. Remember these three ideas. Define what financial freedom means to you. Create a personal financial mission statement that reflects your values. Turn that mission into measurable goals supported by daily habits. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who's ready to take control of their financial future. What would your personal financial mission statement say? Share it in the comments. It would love to read it. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep building a future where your money works for your teams, not the other way around. Thank you.